Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard reset on your Ring base station. Now you might need to do this for a variety of reasons. If it's not responding, if it's not pairing, if it's not connecting to things that it was previously paired with, any kind of connections or operational issues can be fixed very often with a simple hard reset, and this is quite easy to do. Now this is going to restore the default settings from the factory default settings, like when you took it out of the box. So you will need to set it back up once you do this. But if you're ready to do that, it's quite easy. All you need is a paper clip or a pin or something. Just make sure it's not too sharp so it doesn't poke a hole in anything. Or even one of those iPhone SIM card ejectors works great for this. And all we need to do is just come in here, and on the back we can find this reset button right here on the back. And if we just stick a paper clip in there and hold the button down for a second or two, then we can release it, and that will send the base through a reset process. It takes a few seconds. We can turn it back on, and then we can connect it to whatever we want.